So this is what they have at the Pizza Hut in Target now. It's like 7 something for this. It's kind of for 2 people it can happen. I don't know what happened to the personal pans. But the personal pans was about 5 something, so I guess this is worth it. Okay, so I'm just gonna share with you guys what I purchased from Target and Walmart. So I'm home now. I'm gonna share with you guys what I bought from Target and Walmart. So I got these little air fresheners. I figure it's better than the plug-in, so I don't have to worry about it being plugged in. Yeah, approved by Nivea. And then I did purchase this here, the wipes. I got a hair dye, so my hair be looking all crazy and stuff. And then I purchased some of this Up and Up brand. So I got some of these. I got some of these. I just want to put it around so it prevents the roaches. And Mr. Clean. And I got this trash can. And it cannot hide any creatures in this one because it's like flat and stuff. So I threw my other ones away just in case there's roaches in there. And then right here, it just swings open. Nothing fancy, but I just want something simple so nothing can hide underneath and stuff. You see that? So yeah, that was my little haul. So everything almost cost me like $70. Funny, yeah, a little bit stuff, but this was like $13, I think, and this was like 13. This was like 11 something. So yeah, so that's my haul. And there's Nivea, the silly girl. Hi, silly Willy. She's happy. What are you doing? She's a happy girl. Yeah, I still got a lot of cleaning to do, but look, it's kind of, it grew smaller a little bit, yeah? So this side, there's nothing on this side. So hopefully soon. Alright guys, so my bedroom, I'm still kind of working. I'm just trying to put everything in its place and make it more like this right here is not working out because it's like taking a lot of space right here. So I think that's the place for the bike. And then I emptied this space here. There, so this is my bed. I do have a twin bed. I had a queen bed, but then I decided to go with a twin because I didn't want Nivea to sleep on the bed with me. So that was my theory. Did it work? Yeah and no. So she'll be sleeping on that sometimes. And then she will come into my bed sometimes, but then she'll end up in that chair. But yeah, so right now, got my bed there. The table will be here. This table is there. The massage table. That's a stationary one that it's my sister's. And then this one is gonna go to sell because I have to sell. I don't need 2 beds. All right, so let's put the table there. So I got rid of a lot of things. Watch out, sister. Watch out, beep, 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 beep. So this is a table that I bought for $20 on Facebook Market. Because look, it has a drawer. It's dirty from my makeup. But it has a drawer that I can put my makeup in as well. I did purchase a makeup, you know those little drawers, I'll show you guys later, from Amazon. And you know the wheels on the bottom, it's supposed to roll, right? But the wheels on the bottom, it just broke. It broke and it only sat there. I hardly moved it around. And it came off, it's not very good. I mean, it's not built very well. But I know I can probably put some of the, see, look up all my brushes down here. But it's a good table. I gotta wipe it down. So that will go here. And then when I do my videos, I don't know how I will do it. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm still wanting to decorate, but not too sure how I will do that yet. So I got this one from Target. It is Disinfecting Up and Up is a brand. That's the Target brand, I think. And then we're gonna go ahead and wipe this down. This is a good $20 purchase from Facebook Market. And it can clean up. This is just something sticky here. It's okay. Ah! I think I might put my mirror here because I don't have a vanity mirror. I just have a mirror. Let's go and get it real quick. Hang on. All right. So I'm hoping that it will hang on the wall with this. If not, that'll be like just a waste. I'm just trying to put this in so it doesn't be like flapping around and stuff, you know? Hopefully. Okay, so I really hope I gotta get my thing. When I bought this thing before, it came with a little level thing, so this one won't work like that. Hold on. So it kind of is helpful. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can put it on without being all crooked. Nobody would really know but me, you know. Come on, let's go. See, like here. Let's put this on. Okay. It is a little bit, it's okay. So the test is that, is it gonna stay there? You know, let me push it in more, but that's what's going on right at this moment. All right, so this is the one that I bought from Amazon. Okay. Not this one. Not that one. Move your butt. And look. You see the bottom? So keep in mind, when you're buying this from there, the wheels are all broken, and it was just sitting there. It was just sitting there, and then when time to move, they all came off. But it's okay. I can get new one, but that's not the point, right? It wasn't made. The wheels are junk, so I can get different wheels. But anyways, let's put it over here. After this, I will take a break. I'm already sore. So that is my little makeup area. I just put that there. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I just putting the wagon there for now because it's in the way. Okay, so that is, I got my stuff here for now. So I cleared this a little bit. Everything is inside the bathroom. So what I got left is I gotta make my picture wall. But other than that, this is clear. I don't have to go sideways. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a break right now. That is me when I was a kid. Look how dark I am from the sun. Look at that. And then we're gonna go up here. That's me again. And then you got me right there. Let's go up here again with Keanu. Look at me and Keanu. Okay, this is Keanu, this is Elijah. This is me again, probably in my 20s. That's me again right there. Oh my God.